Hello, let's learn how to solve this interesting question on percentage. The question goes, what is 40% of $100? We take a solution. We are to calculate the 40% of $100. Mathematically, this simply means 40%, if we have a percent, it simply means A out of 100 things. So it simply means 40% will be 40 out of 100. Of here mathematically simply means we have to multiply by $100, which you can express this as $100 over 1. Next step, we have to simplify 100 here at the numerator. We strike off this 100 down at the denominator. This will simply be equal to, we'll be left with 40 times, here we'll be left with $1. 40 times $1 gives us $40. Therefore, 40% of $100 is $40. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.